I keep my air kit. I came by my buddy Glenn's place, walked up to my car. Pretty obvious the tire was flat. And I do have a spare, but sometimes for me it's easier to just plug and air up a tire, especially if I'm quite a ways away from a shop, because the spare is just a temporary spare. So I looked under here, and sure enough, I found what looks to be the problem. Looks like a kind of a some kind of a staple or something. So I'm gonna see if I can pull it out, plug it up, and air it up, and show you what the PowerTake Mini does. This is the older version. This is the one I had in my car, so this is the one I'm going to use. The newer one looks very similar, works the same. So Glenn, if you can come down here, I'll show you. Let's see if this is the culprit. It'll start leaking air if it is. Yeah, that's it. So what I have to do is I have to make sure I see the direction that nail came out, because that's the path I want to follow when I put the plug in. So the kit has a plug kit here. Some lube. See, I used it once before just for this on a different set of tires. So what I do is I get some lube, put it on the needle tool. That helps me to get this plug into that needle. One of the nice things about the new kits too is the new kits actually have a pair of pliers in it. Okay, I'm going to go halfway through that, and I'm ready. Put some more lube on here so I can get it through that tiny hole. Okay, first thing I want to do is I want to kind of establish that path. Tough angle. There we go. Okay, I've got a path now for that plug. Now I want to push that plug in exactly the same angle. Alright, I'm going to go in that far, leave about 3/4 of an inch out, and when I pull the thing back out, yep, the plug stays in place because the needle is got an opening here. And now all you gotta do is cut the excess off. Alright, that's my plug. Now I'm going to set up my trigger. And I need to go up to about 35 pounds at least. And this bottle here should be able to do, oh, probably 3 or 4 of those tires. The kit comes with a little pressure gauge, so I'll have to go back and forth and check the pressure. But better than not having anything on the road. Let's see if here. I'm at about 32, and that should get me back on the road and home. And it shouldn't leak, so I think I'm good.